Put an egg with corn and get ready to be amazed by the result. First, let's take 170 grams of corn, 1 egg, which will give the mixture binding and flavor, half a cup of cornstarch, parsley to taste, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of paprika, and a teaspoon of oregano in a bowl. Mix all the ingredients well until everything is incorporated. It turns into a colorful and flavorful mixture. Now, let's heat a pan with a little olive oil. Use a brush to spread the oil all over the pan. With the heat on medium, add the entire corn and egg mixture to the pan. Watch until the last step. The result will make you want to run to the kitchen. Then, cover the pan to cook for a few minutes. Time to flip the omelet. With the help of a plate, flip your omelet carefully so it gets golden brown on both sides. To enhance the flavor, let's add 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce on top, which will bring a delicious acidity that pairs perfectly with the corn and egg. Now, let's go all out with cheese. Add a good portion of mozzarella cheese on top, the more the better. I'm sure this omelet will be a real success in your home. Finish with a touch of oregano for that irresistible aroma. Let it cook for a little longer until the cheese melts and everything is creamy. The secret is to let the cheese melt well, and the omelet become nicely golden brown. Now just transfer your omelet to a plate and enjoy this simple, quick, and flavorful recipe. Remember to adjust the seasonings according to your personal taste, and don't be afraid to experiment with variations with other ingredients you love. You can try adding slices of sausage or even basil leaves. I'm sure you'll love adding other ingredients to make the recipe even more delicious. Don't forget to tell me where you're watching from, so I can send you a special hug. Share your favorite recipe in the comments. We want to know what tips and tricks you use to make your recipes even more special. I'm sure everyone will love it. And if you've watched this recipe until the end, it means you liked it. So rate it from 0 to 10 so I can keep making delicious recipes like this. And of course, share the video with your friends. Maybe they'll love this easy and delicious recipe too. Bon appétit, and see you in the next video.